Hello, my name is Milan Pap. I am a lecturer in the computer school Maret.
Let's start lesson 003, AutoCAD Practice 1. Switch to AutoCAD. Example 1. Let's draw the first arc segment. We choose Command Polyline from menu Draw, and then left click in the drawing area to set the start point of arc. Then we choose option arc. We must type A in the command line and then press enter. Then we choose option angle. We must type A in the command line and then press enter. We have to specify angle of arc. We want to draw a quarter of circle, therefore size of arc will be 90 degrees, and we want to draw an arc in clockwise direction,